is PyHero126, and I'm here with another tutorial. I'm in a hurry. So I've had to redo this like 5 times, and it's aggravating. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. It's another shooting tutorial. To work with easing on your characters and how to make your animations look better by using variety and a couple effects. Like I tried to use smoke, but I wasn't successful. And it's just a gun test I did with, and I used easing, so I was just gonna show it to you. And this is it. You might want to take out the smoke, but you know, I'm positive I'm going too fast. Yeah, this is what it should look like. Actually, I'm gonna take out the smoke. The smoke sucked. Made my whole movie suck. I'm gonna take out the smoke and then show you what it looks like. My cam studio still isn't making my animations aren't coming up as smooth as they really are, but I mean, it's smooth enough to where you can kind of understand what I'm doing. And yeah, so with removing the smoke, it should look like this. Isn't my best animation, but I mean, it's not my worst.